Okay, welcome back to Morrocco Method International, where natural things happen. See comments below, send us your questions. I'd love to answer them. So I started a whole new series, Show Me Your Style. So for Morrocco Method, we're talking about show me your method, show me your hairstyle. Tanya's asking, I am trying to follow the lunar chart and use the corresponding shampoos. Do I need to wash with the strengthening shampoo every day during the strengthening dates in order to see the best results? No. You shampoo normally. If you shampoo like every other day or twice a week, but don't shampoo every day, you'll strip out all the natural oils. You should be alternating all the shampoos, not staying with one shampoo, and then shampoo normally. And then dry brushing will really help you a lot. I have a lot of clients who, in between shampoos, will get our brush, Morrocco Method brush, bend over, stand up, and brush as dry shampooing. So watch our videos, they're very helpful. So here we have a question coming in from Megan. I've been a Morrocco Method user for about 7 years, and suddenly my hair is sticky with residue, like I'm back in detox. I haven't changed my diet or moved. What else could be causing me to go back through detox, and how can I fix it? I would say check your water. Do you have a water filter on your shower? Has the water changed? Are you brushing? Do a lot more brushing. That will help a lot. You can brush 3-4 times a day. Just watch our videos. Use a scalp massager. You probably need more blood and air circulating. And then it's summer. So are you swimming in swimming pools? Are you doing anything in the summer different? So you shouldn't be back into sticky hair. Let's do a lot more brushing, scalp massaging, check your water for a filter. So this is coming in from Charlene. I have been following the lunar chart for about 2 years now and have definitely seen positive results. Our lunar chart gives everyone results. It's very powerful. In fact, my hair seems to come alive again after a lunar cut every month. I do notice though, the right side of my hair is still a bit thinner than the left. Is this normal? Yes, this is very normal. That happens to everyone. My left side is thicker and my right side is thinner. Some people reverse, so it all has its idiosyncrasies. Any advice? No, that's just the way our hair grows. For me, I basically cut my left side and leave that longer and the right side shorter. I was using elixirs, have been taking a break from these for the last few months. I also have cut way back in heat compared to years ago. Now I let it air dry and use cool air to dry. Very good. Yeah, I'm really against hot heat on the hair. So if you look at a plant, look at the leaves of your plant, would you take a blow dryer and put that heat onto your leaves? You'll kill the plant. You'll kill the leaves, absolutely. So the hair is as sensitive as your plant. So we want to keep them as natural and healthy as possible. Yeah, I suggest people use 2 towels, towel dry, and get a second towel, towel dry again. And then you could bend over and brush and stand up and brush and air dry your hair. Another question coming in from Wilhelmina. Will using these products, meaning Morrocco Method products, change the color of my dyed hair? I go to a salon. No, Morrocco Method, all our products are color safe, so you have no problem using Morrocco Method with colored hair, dyed hair, bleached hair, whatever you're doing, streaked hair. But as always, I recommend watching our videos on henna and slowly switch over to natural hair color. You'll be so thrilled that you do. This is coming in from Susan. Susan's asking, do all natural products require a different kind of storage compared to the products with different chemicals? Some do, we don't. So Morrocco Method has a shelf life of 7 years. Yeah, 7 years, not months, years, 7. And I still have some of my original products from the 1960s and 70s that are still in good condition. We use a lot of natural sources that they've done in Europe for decades, for centuries actually, to keep our products very, very natural. The only thing I suggest, if you're in a tremendous heat wave, I wouldn't leave them in the shower in a window. So here we have a question coming in about the full moon dates not matching the lunar hair calendar. So the lunar dates on your astrological calendar are all charted from planetary movements. Hair lunar dates are charted from the 5 elements: fire, air, earth, water, ether. So your lunar hair dates may change with the astrological dates, meaning let's say that full moon is going to be this Tuesday, and I say our dates to cut hair is Wednesday and Thursday. So it's not on your full moon, it's on the lunar cycle hair chart. It's a Mayan calendar that I use along with other sources. So don't be alarmed if you see on your astrological calendar this is the solstice date or the equinox date, and our dates are a little bit different. It's because it's all charted differently, only from hair cycles, or just use the CS in shampoo and not the oil. No, the shampoos have nothing to do with the oil. The oil is basically used to feed the roots, to feed the scalp, to feed the growth pattern, and the hair needs food. So the oils are really necessary. They've been oiling our hair for thousands of years, going back to the Egyptians. So shampoo, shampoo, oils are oils, no relationship. So I'm only using the shampoos as I can't get the gels to work for my hair. The gels work for everybody. So our blood of a dragon gel is really light. I use it a lot. Then I put it in on wet hair or dry hair, let it settle, then brush it out. It really works on everyone's hair. And our pomade also is excellent. It definitely will help your hair to style. So watch our videos. We have a lot of videos on every styling product. So maybe those insights will come from watching the videos. Okay, so that's the question and answers for this week. So comments below, send us your questions. I'd love to answer them. And then what is your style? Everyone is unique. Everyone has unique hair, growth patterns. It's not all the same. Seasons are doing different things. Summer, fall, winter, spring. Be as creative as possible. Send us in any of your unique usages, Morocco methods, and multi-usage. All right, our health is our wealth. Let's make it happen. Be healthy, be natural, be strong. All blessings. Thank you.